Hey everyone, today I'll show you where to find ice skates in Terraria. Open Terraria, click single player, and create a new world. Use seed 102-668-0129 for a small classic Crimson world. Click apply, then create. Wait, enter the world and go left. It's close since the world is tiny. The ice biome starts here. There it is. Let's go, skip this lake. Go left and you'll see this spot. Take out your pickaxe and dig down. Keep digging. It takes time, but a good pickaxe speeds it up. We'll soon find a cabin. Here it is. The chest inside has our ice skates. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Good luck. See you later.